It's a known fact that entrepreneurs come in all shapes and sizes, but what's not commonly seen is young entrepreneurs. And we're talking as young as 9 years old. This evening, we hear the story of how a fifth grader started her own business out of the desire of just wanting more money. TVJ's Kian Morgan tells us more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Age holds no limits. It's a fact proven by Shanna Alexis Colley, a 9-year-old who started her own business out of a want her parents could not satisfy.
She wanted to go to camp, and I said to her, $30,000 for camp is a lot. And she said, you know what, Mommy, I'm going to earn it.
And she did just that. Doing her own research, Shanna Alexis came up with an idea she believed would help her make enough money for camp. That is, making bath soaps. With confidence and financial assistance from her parents for startup, Shanna Alexis made her first batch and rented a spot at her first pop-up shop.
She sold all of them. She made a whopping profit.
With the camp fee earned and change to spare, Shanna Alexis decided to turn her idea into a business, which she operates from the comfort of her parents' kitchen. Cutting, melting, and mixing with her secret ingredients, the fifth grader specializes in custom orders for bridal and baby showers. Jacinth Morgan Colley says her daughter was always business-minded.
She always says she has to own her own businesses.
She says her daughter's initiative has encouraged her to be her own boss too.
My 9-year-old stepping out there, taking orders, all of these things, not wondering what the world has to think, not wondering to say, is this going to work? And just that sense of hope that comes, and it has really helped us too.
But though she has her own money now, Shanna Alexis says she doesn't want it all for herself.
Since people are always donating to children, I thought I could donate to the elderly.
Both believe no idea is too wild and is encouraging others of all ages not to limit themselves.
Age it's significant. I don't like when people say it's insignificant, it's just a number. No, it's not just a number. If it is that you have a dream, work out a plan. Do whatever it takes that is legal and correct to ensure that you can live your dream.
You won't always succeed on your first try, but keep on trying, you'll succeed eventually.
Thinking long term, this moneymaker is already making plans for the future.
I plan on opening malls, first indoor ice skating rink in Jamaica. I want to be a doctor, a dancer, a singer, and an actor.
And how she plans on doing this?
I'm not sure, but I know with God all things are possible.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.